Hi, welcome to TunesKit. If you're stuck with an iPhone that's signed in to an iCloud account you don't have the password for, don't worry. In today's video, I'll walk you through several solutions one by one, all of which I've personally tested and found to be very effective. Let's get started. Method 1. Remove iCloud account from settings. You can open settings, tap your profile picture to enter your account, then scroll down. Here, you'll see all the iPhones that have been signed in with your current Apple ID, which are your trusted devices. Select the device you no longer need. Tap Remove from Account and confirm. After that, the iCloud account will be removed from that iPhone. Method 2. Use TunesKit iPhone Unlocker. TunesKit iPhone Unlocker is a multifunctional iOS unlocking tool that can help users unlock disabled or unavailable iPhones and iPads without entering the passcode. You can directly remove the Apple ID account with just a few clicks. Let me show you how it works. Step 1. Connect iPhone to the computer. Choose the Unlock Apple ID and click Start. It will detect your device model. Step 2. Make sure the screen lock is set and turn on iPhone two-factor authentication. Step 3. Check your device information. Click Download after confirming it is correct, and then the firmware package will start to download. After the download is completed, the system will automatically parse the firmware package. Step 4. Start to unlock your iPhone. Please note that after starting to unlock, all your original data will be erased, so it is best to have a backup. After a few minutes, the Apple ID account on your iPhone will be removed. Then, you can log in with your new Apple ID. If the above methods are helpful to you, don't forget to like and subscribe.